Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love this shirt, but I don't love some bra straps showing. And sometimes I'm not feeling a strapless bra. So this little sweater by Loxdonz has been very helpful recently. I have several dresses and a few shirts that they need a strapless bra, but sometimes I'm just not feeling it, especially with dresses. I just want to be comfortable. So I just throw this little thing on, and it doesn't look like I just threw a sweater on because I'm cold or because I don't want to show my bra straps, but I feel like it really just adds to the outfit. It has this really nice, loose, flowy feel to it. I love that the weave is really a loose weave, so it's a cool sweater in the summer. You're not going to be super hot in it. I just think it has a really delicate feminine look to it. I love the design on it. It has a lot of different patterns, so it looks very much like lace. So if you're looking for a really nice accessory for your closet, this sweater by Loxdonz has been so helpful to me. It's comfortable, it's cute, it's not too hot, it's just right. But that's just my point of view.